All right. Okay. Let's write some stuff. Ah! All right. Oh god, why do I hear myself? What tab's open and unmuted? Gross. My own voice. Okay, let's see. Boom. Alright. Ooh. We're working on something else today. We're working on a little rocket ship. Cause, yeah. Okay, cool. Bends. I don't know. They're obviously very unrealistic. It's based on some comic stuff. Runa. Hold on, 1 second. Oh, cool. Music stopped. Every time. Sorry, I heard my door slam. Like, what the hell? At least that's what it sounds like. Alright, so... I'm reworking this layout. Of all this. Let's do this. We're gonna go basically here, here, and then we're gonna change this area to be a little different. And then this is gonna change as well. Well, my plan is, like, so it's always been, like, I wanted a way for, the player to fast travel. But I wanted it to be where, it used to be where, obviously, it was going to be the player going to different planets and stuff. But, obviously, scope, is I'm trying to rein myself in on that. I was thinking about it, and I was like, we could still do that idea, sort of, if you think about it. And do like, well, for one, we should make this even. I think it's not okay. Maybe it's just me. It is. And then my plan was to. That's kind of interesting. It used to always be this was the default instead of that, and now it just always goes vertex. Something like that. But yeah, so I think what I want to do is have it where I want to have it where, like, this will be in the center here. You're gonna land the reason I like this, right? So, like, my thinking is if we land here in the beginning, we can introduce the player and have them already locked into the town, right? While introducing the player to go to their ship for things they need. With that, we can have it where the player's home, whatever, is located somewhere else. That way I don't have to worry about like, oh, it's this way, and then we load out this way, and then design the map around it. But instead we, have it where it's just somewhere else, naturally. And then you have to make your way here, right? I think that makes sense and works. And then from there, I think what we do is I've never liked this building here either, so like that's partially why I was like, but I think we're gonna make it where it's kind of a symmetrical here as much as we can. Make better actual like pathing, because then we could put trees here, we could put whatever, block the path. But then we give significance to like this building and this area at the center of town. But then the nice thing is like then the player starts here. We can have it they're talking to an NPC in a locked in fashion, like not just you spawn or you walk in from a direction. It's like we can kind of lock in like, okay, you're gonna spawn and you're gonna do this set thing of walking down the stairs or whatever. But then we can use it for fast travel, right? So like I want it to be where we can unlock points of interest, basically, either back here or on different maps if we end up going different map route. Different just points of interest in general that we can use and we'll travel to on here, right? But this way, yeah, we got a little grid going on. Probably do a tree or something here. I don't know. We'll see. Then I got this, gave it a place back there. Yeah. We're getting fancy now. Slowly. Alright, I gotta... What is the height on this? Still gotta fix these. So that they can be even with the corner. Which I guess I could just do this, right? We could just literally do modeling mode. Modeling. Form. No, it's modeling. There we go. Try select. Oh god. Did I crash it? Ah, don't crash. I didn't save. I probably saved. Oh, hang on. Just shaders. Alright, cool. Selection mode. Can we do angle filter? What's that like? Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Nice. Alright, so this one's not the best example to do it on. to... Whoa. Oh, no, it's just showing the wrong... Okay, cool. And then we're going to want to move these. Why can't I move them? Go back to this tool. No. Normally... Edit. Oh, there we go. My bad. No, that's not it. Yeah, try select, try edit. Yeah, it should be try edit, and then... Why can't I select anything now? Huh. That's weird. But yeah, we can't do polygroup because this is just one polygroup. It doesn't really work out, right? So I'm pretty sure, yeah. And even if we do this. All right. Okay. Accept. Oh, there we go. That was... What the heck, game? I mean, editor, but... I knew what I meant. Okay. Why is it unevenly? Okay. Cool. Ta-da! And realistically, it should all be the same number. If you think about it. Group on group. Up. Right. Oop. What are all these called? I mean, I don't want to select them all, actually. I was going to say I can select them all, but then I realized there's like a second level. No, these are organized. Okay, cool. Interesting. So these ones are... Oh, okay, cool. So I need to correct the size of the whole everything. The whole everything. Yep, that's right. Under. Nope. Oh, I forgot I had made this too. It's it fits in there mostly. Yeah, it fits in the old style version. I think. Okay, cool. Either way, yeah, back of this. All right. I don't easily get distracted, obviously. No such thing. All right. Cool. wonder if we just do this, like we do a I was thinking for a door, right? Probably. I guess. I don't know. I think it'd be fun to have a door that, not fun, just overall look nicer. We kind of maybe adjusted it to the door. You know? What I'm saying, like, and what I'm terribly doing. And then do this. Do kind of a bevel. Yeah, something like that, right? Like just. I don't know. Overall, we'll figure out the actual design later. That. Alright. I want to make sure I'm making the right size. I also just like setting up, like, where things go. It's gonna be a prop. Rocket. Rocket. Alright, cool. Now we do like a. Do I have a hue on this? Okay, I don't. I was gonna say we could probably do like a. What's called on here? Have a. What am I thinking? Have the. There we go. So then we could have this, right? We can have it where we do a material instance. Have that material instance be the like concrete, so that we're not making something all new. Ooh, and this is always world too. I forgot that's how my grass is set. Because I wanted it to be where that could actually be randomized. Based on your world. So almost like difficulty setting, right? Like you're, depending on the difficulty, like you'll be on a harsher world or something. Is what in my head I have planned. Whether or not that happens or not, that's why I said it's in my head at the moment. All right, we'll just, there we go. But let's do this. Let's say either way. We're going to create a material instance. One's going to just be material instance gravel. It's probably not. I'm probably going to make my own material at the end of the day, or not material, but texture. So it doesn't even matter that much. But it's already. This is where I was like, I probably don't need the hue shift. Because I was going to hue shift it to like blue or red, right? Like, but then if that color changes, it could be anything. So maybe we keep it. I don't know. That way we can have something like that. And I'm thinking we'll make like an actual specific mesh instead of like this. We'll have to make something smaller, obviously, so that this can be a fast travel point to places. So yeah. Anyways. Oh yeah. All right, it's tiny. I can scale it up. I knew I made it like 3 meters, but I didn't think it'd be that tiny. I still I made it small mainly because I wanted it to be where player can walk behind it, right? Without being too obstructed. But I think somewhere around there is closer to what I'd want. We just want it to be where this right here is the size of Milo, so it needs to be a little larger. So it's probably 2 times. But other than that, it's like, it's not that bad to beat. It's not like, it doesn't hide much, especially now that we rotate with it. And it does the check and makes it itself, like it raises it up. We're not missing much. Like we don't miss this door, right? Because it's still raised up because how tall it is. So that works. But also at the same time, if it's that friggin' large, I guess that's not that big of a thing, huh? We could probably redesign the fins and stuff a little bit. I just was making some, I looked up a couple cartoon and like animated stylized, you know, rockets and kind of blended them in my head. Alright, cool. And then, so yeah, I'll probably make that Y scale for 1, and then now 2. Oh crap! Why are we only doing the 1? All right, Y. Okay. Cube. Big thing is. What the heck? Oh. Funny. There we go. Okay. So we can probably do a little bit of this, right? Bring these in. Just slightly. Slightly. It's the slightest of slight. Right? Probably way of doing something like this where we say move that out a little bit. Yep. And then kind of smooth all this out. And here we go. That. Something. And then we probably should do something like this, right? So to add some detail here, we could probably just do something like this right there. Add a center, and then select the center. Okay. That's probably not the smartest way to inset it, but that type of thing, right? Is what I'm thinking. Is like making little, making little bubbles and stuff. And then sharp, right? And then we have just little areas. I might not be able to see them always, but we'll like differentiate the colors inside. The heck? Oh, wait, no. Right, so like we could do, let's say this was all gray of some sort. Put it like that. We then do this one. Let's make it a little darker. Right. Main. I wonder if we probably should do this one darker too. We could also just not even inset, but just do lines like that anywhere. And then yeah. Oh yeah, what's the select? it's active. Ah! Button. Root along individual. And then yeah. Just double check. Oh, wrong thing. Nope. Oh, yeah, this still. I think these need to be darker. There. And then this. Our beautiful. So I want to make an actual door. Or maybe it'll be like this, right? So we have this. We'll make an exterior for this. So then just have this, like, I don't know. Ugh, man. This is where I hate stuff like this. Where it's like we could have it where there's a cover that pops off. Or, you know, something zooms, like, moves inside of it. Or it just, like, pushes in. We stop seeing it. Well, you know, ladder comes down, whatever. That's something I can think about later, I think. And then with this, I almost feel like, what if we do... Just go even lighter with this. But I was thinking, like, maybe we like do different shapes in here as well. So like it's broken up, like say it looks like just panel sheeting or something. They got the space and no one knows how. we more flung ourselves than reminds me, we'll probably need a depth fade material. Look at that. Interesting. Okay. But yeah, so we'll probably need a let's go here. See if I already got one. Look at that, I do. Look at the kit. Okay, so this is, yeah, that. This will just go on a plane. People. I say the people. Is it even okay? No, it is okay. Yeah. So this would be like a, I don't know, demonstrate, right? This would be where the door is, right? So we just fade. Right. This would be where the door is, so it would be. I'm kind of interested in that. That's actually kind of interesting. Or no, I guess it's because it's not. Yeah, it's a high number. So let's see. Where is this? I need to organize these. Like parent material. But I realized I have this type of stuff too, where it was just the color at first. Before I changed to, so like we could use that technically for where we just did gravel. Right, like, if I have it already, and it was there because before I had like a gradient myself of making stuff. Okay, so like I need a parent folder is what I'm trying to get to. Okay, material instance, step fade. Okay. Oh no, I didn't. Okay. I thought I had set this to a parameter. It's gonna be fade distance. So by default is 300. And really, this should be a actual color, and this can just be called color. There we go. That way we need it for more than a few things. Yeah. All right. Cool. We'll probably not actually have a depth fade either. That's the funny thing. Is I'll probably just have it where it's like a solid black material. Maybe a depth fade over it, so like if the player passes through it, right? So like on landing. I guess. Technically. Instance. That's not the right instance. I thought I had that selected. So here. 10, 20. So like it'd be something like this, right? So we can have it like that in there. Because then you get that nice edge, right? That's what it's all about. The edge that no one will notice. And then I mean right there. Right? That looks better than a solid black. Awesome. Damn it, Milo, your head's too large. You can't fit in this. You can't fit in the thing. I just saw that. Oh my god. Let's see how. Let's get a Milo in there. That's what I probably should be doing. Like, how big is he compared to the door? He can walk in sideways, crouching. He can technically fit. Technically is all we need. A little too short for him still. But we can shrink him. He doesn't need to be this damn tall. Also, I think this is the weird version, like the low poly. I never got yet. Was not paid under the feet. We'll just shrink him as he walks up the steps. We'll shrink him. No one will ever tell. Guaranteed. I mean, come on. How could they tell? It'd be impossible, I say. Alright. Cool. But yeah, that way we can kind of. So my idea is like, when we spawn in, right? We just do a little short move the character, move him here for the first time. Well, you know, move him here, wherever. And then when we want to go somewhere, we just come here, interact, move to wherever. Fast travel. Also, I am loving the camera system. I got, since we worked on this the other day, I haven't been able to actually work on the game much. I've been pretty busy. I say that as I watch someone's 24-hour stream for their Switch anniversary. I haven't been motivated to work on it, so I've been taking a little break, and I've been thinking about stuff. Like, I don't know, I think that helps. Sometimes, like, that's why I burnt myself on my other one, where it's like, I would just work on it every single day, endlessly, blindlessly, where I wasn't, like, planning anything out, where this one I'm trying to plan out and be like, okay, here's how this is gonna happen. These characters are in it. And I'm trying to do that all now rather than what I did before, which was like, I did it, but then I never iterated on it, or I over iterated on it. It just kept going. I never really got, you know, anything great out of it. All right, cool. Anyways, distraction time. No, we're gonna, let's do this. So rocket. We're gonna do a Niagara system. Gonna do a. This is cool, by the way. All the templates. Let's go. Let's move. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move side to side. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move side to side. Let's go. Let's go. Let's move side to side. Let's go. Everybody, bring it in. Cool. initial burst and then like flames and smoke and stuff. Alright, cool. Does nothing render any anymore? That's cool. That's cool. Alright. Editor stopping us from being non-productive, apparently. Or no, it's compiling shaders. Cool, cool, cool. Hey. For some reason, I mean, I know why. If not for some reason, it likes to... my shader compiler, like it's not saying shaders are being compiled. How many are left, etc. Alright, so we're gonna do the opposite. It's gonna be fire and range. So negative. And negative. 50. Which we're probably gonna even slow down from there.
Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move.
I'm gonna change from a sprite renderer to a mesh renderer.
Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go. Let's go, let's move side to side, let's go.
Yeah, let's do this. A mesh renderer. In here as well. Right. The meshes we want to do are not going to be that. Do a sphere. Right. Give it kind of the stylized look that my... And I'm imagining, right, like the stylized look of my jump, right, of that. So like I want this to just, we'll even probably use that same material, but adjust the alpha. If I can find it. Find it. We gotta shrink this head a little bit. I like it because that's the style that my stuff's been. Just overly giant head, but I think we need to do like 1 or 2%. Like nothing crazy. I think we could probably bring the back in or something. Like, you know, do something to... I mean, who knows? We'll see. Like, I don't want it to be a normal size helmet. It still needs to be oversized for sure. I just think it needs to be... it's also too forward for what it is, but all right. Anyways, animation. Right here. Material overrides. Oh, there's no override on here. So I just need to do the alpha. Ah, god damn it. Okay, cool. So this one just how fast we do it. Open up chat for a second. God damn it, where was I? New particles. Scale color. Okay, we're not even doing alpha. Oh yeah, we are. I can't read. Reading's hard. What is this one for? Hold on. Scale vector color. Oh, why are we doing linear color? Huh. So this should be fading out. Oh, they are. They totally are. I just didn't look first. My bad. I think we need some sort of like state pushing them back up a little bit, or push them further away. And then we'll adjust that alpha as well. So let's see. Yes, I'm messing with gravity. You know you shouldn't. Alright. Yeah, it is affecting it. There is going to be an ad break for Twitch viewers in 3 minutes, just so you guys know. I got the pop up. I'm wondering what a good way to randomize this. Random range. That would be how. That's funny. So that's gonna be like, I want there to be like it's billowing. We probably should also go like this. Scaling color. I wonder if we should set color from the start. Because I'm thinking like we can make it from red to nothing, right? Hey, how's it going, Austin? How you doing today? We are just breaking some stuff. Nah, I'm working on a little top-down game and trying to make some particles right now. Good, nice. Alright, there we go, something easy there. What I'm imagining, right, this is going to be when this takes off. I'm going to have this here. And this is why I need that alpha to start going down a little sooner. Well, also, let's lessen that velocity, so let's go like negative 250. To negative 450. How's that look? I guess we could make this where so A, the start position, I mean, I guess it won't necessarily matter here, right? So the viewing angle is still gonna be like right here. Okay. That's not bad. But yeah, so I guess I'll run around. I haven't ran around stream today. This is my game we've been working on for a couple months now. I gotta do like a dev video for YouTube. I keep forgetting. It's a little side project of mine at the moment compared to my other game. And it's supposed to be like just a cozy exploration game. Top down, you're gonna help the village solve their issues, and just explore. Right? I'm doing this project kind of just I like that I've been exploring like a new art style. We're also been exploring like different camera types for here. I'm not sure if this part will stick yet, where it kind of goes free. Bullets in town, right? That sticks a little too much right now while running. But I do like it. And then, yeah. Oh. We went out the range. We're not supposed to see back here. Now we've broken the camera. It doesn't know what to do now. Just confused for sure. It's like, how'd you get there? There we go. So that will be the issue if we keep that one. I kind of like this one that's just kind of flowing with us, but we'll see. But yeah, so right now I'm trying to kind of keep designing the town. We're adding some particles in. I wonder if we have it where the camera just goes, stays where it's at, and then just goes like this. Follow it up, or if we do something else, like just have it where if we're standing here, right? We would only see like 2 seconds of it taking off. Half a second is because we would do like initial bursts, which we'll have to figure out, and then take off. That's not bad. That's not terrible. What I don't understand is why people who are this skilled don't make games themselves. I'm not sure what you mean. I am making games. Unless you're not talking about me, I guess. How's it going? Sorry, I'm not sure how to pronounce your name. Is it like Bacola? But yeah, so let us edit this. Let's go. All right, so for this one we have this, and then we could probably do this. We add another emitter. We can do one from a I know there's a burst template. Yeah, you might need to rephrase what you're saying. I'm not sure what you meant. I do make games, unless you're saying something else. Simple sprite burst. There we go. Basically, I'm using the template because it's easier than starting from scratch. Right? There's going to be a non-looping system, so we're going to turn this one off. Right, so this right now is just going boom, boom, boom. You see that? We're gonna go on spawn, velocity, basically copy part of this, right? Which is shape location, like shape location. But then right now that we're gonna go over here. We're gonna say mesh renderer. We're gonna use that same small. Alright, so right now that's all that's doing, right? It's one burst, boom. We're gonna set this up a little bit different. We're gonna go. We gotta remember in here. No, it's not here. It's this. So spawn count, we're probably gonna do like 100. But then we're gonna add some drag. This needs gravity. Okay, hold on. Flying the horses. Okay, cool. So like velocity. Yeah, let's set velocity to 10 point. And then can we do distribution? Velocity fade. Okay, we probably could repeat it similar to that. So that is for velocity speed. That actually might be a thing, right? I'm trying to remember. Burst. Velocity. Vortex velocity. There we go. Give it a second. Alright, and then this I think has to come over here. No? Alright. Slowly, basically. Alright, prone point. Sorry, I haven't played with Niagara in a bit, so I'm trying to be like, is there something new I can use? We could do like a wait. Inject an angular velocity around a vortex axis into the particle velocity. Okay, cool. So do that right here. And then vortex axes. Like that. Oh. A little too much. We got too much. Alright. First. That for once. Good, good, good. How many particles is it spawning? Is it spawning just one? Still? Should spawn 100. We're not, I guess it's getting all the same one, huh? So, that makes sense. Random vector. I 100 hemisphere. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Something like that, right? And so imagine that, where this starts, or where that goes, and then that goes, is what I'm thinking. And then we'll do this, where we say we'll shrink the amount of, and then I want it to fly up at the end, though. So let's do. I guess we could do just at 50. Okay. Say 200. And then do gravity force, but invert gravity. Okay, maybe not invert gravity, but okay. I'm thinking more like this, right, where we do it randomly. Let's do random range vector, and then do minimum 100. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Do like 50. But flip it. Doing it correctly. And then we need to kill the initial so like uniform mode, right? So we're gonna do random uniform so that we can go between a certain range, and then lifetime we're gonna fix to is there yeah, here we go. Lifetime for random. Whoa. Gonna be 1 second, 2 seconds. And then rotation. Rotate. Initial particle. There we go. Then we'll do it's like color over life. Or scale over life. Does it have one? Oh no, it does. The scale. Life. Scale mesh. Scale mesh size. And then we'll just do this for scale curve. vector from curve. Right, so there it's set to go smaller, but we actually, like, this one only goes larger actually, and then fades. So let's go like there. Reset to 5. Nope. Other way around. Ay. 1, but then the set to something. And then let's make this one actual nice little loop. Something like that. Nice. Cool. All right, man. So now this would be, and then I think we could put an initial delay on this. And change the location. As well, but let's just, right, so this is on the ground. For instance. Go. So we could do even more velocity. So let's go 250. That's why we test in here. So the scale's different. I almost want this to be like it bursts, but it like a where it's doing that for a second. Where it's like, and then goes. So maybe more of a spawn, like instead of a burst, to like can I loop a burst? I'm not sure. Let's see. So if I compile. Does nothing. Perfection. Okay, now let's spawn rate, and then we should be able to say I mean, I've done this before. I just so for this instead of saying this, we're gonna say fix loop duration, loop behavior. Yes, once fill. Or is it infinite? And then do spawn rate here. Spawn for a unit. Spawn rate. Now let's do something like that. And then once. There we go. Cool. Got 100. So 1, 2, 3. Boom. And we then should do a do I then delay here? That's alright. Okay. So in this one, emitter state infinite, and then delays the execution of the next life cycle. On rate. Is there a loop? Yeah, I thought I just could set this. Be like, so loop this guy after. Okay, that makes sense there for that one. Well, I guess we would, right? We would do this. Okay, I can't delay that. Okay. I gotta look up. I mean, I guess, do I have to? We could. Let me reset this. Oh. That was weird. So I'm gonna say technically can't see those particles. And then we play that, right? Kind of adds to it, and then by that time we're already going. Not bad, I guess. Not the worst. Okay. It is its own actor static mesh. Rocket. So that would be a rocket launch particle. And I need to save that out, that emitter out as its own emitter as well, so that I can, when it lands, do the opposite of this one, right? Or maybe it's one that just sits on the ground. I don't know. It doesn't matter that much. You know what I mean? Like, it does, but doesn't. That way those are taken care of. Let's rename this. thinking. Rocket. There's only one. Okay. And this. Oh, activate no. Ooh. It'll basically be like custom event. Launch rocket. And get actor location. Blah blah blah. This one will be the particles are that auto or just that activate that active new active and then we'll do that at some point. That's the best now. I'm also going to tie a camera into this. The spring arm. I don't know. Spring arm. It's one of those things where it's like I could do this, right? Or I can just use the player camera and like fade into stuff. What is it? Oh. Okay, I thought it said one camera for a second. I was like, what's the one camera? But I know what the spring arm is, obviously. Or the cinema camera is. Okay, so let us. Okay, cool. Yeah, maybe like this. See, what I'm thinking about is if we set it here, so maybe we set the camera we have to just be higher, but if we set it to be this, then it makes it where the camera is going to move with the actually it doesn't have to. I just undo what I just did, right? So we make a scene component pin. Hello. Nerd type. And then attach the spring arm to the scene. And not the static mesh. And then when we move it, move the static mesh that way that the spring arm and stuff isn't moving with it. Then we can have a specific, and maybe we'll do a camera shake in there too. Which, by the way, if anyone doesn't know, all you do is there's a pre-made thing, right? I think it's under miscellaneous. And you can play a camera shake. It's the same way you play like. It's just a random noise. I know for sure it's here. Where would you say camera shake? modifier. There we go. Unless they changed it. It looks like they might have. Who's this new one? Camera shake actor. I'm like, ooh. What am I missing? But basically, it's set in your player controller, right? So, which mine's not called that, and I know it. PC. Like I know what my files are called, and I still type the wrong thing. But yeah, it's in here, right? So like, there's an actual camera controller. If you guys don't know. Hey, Lily. It's going pretty good. We're working on this little, like, I'm trying something different. So I got this little side project I'm working on. Trying a new art style. And just something a lot more simplistic that I can, like, simpler game-wise, so that I can finish it and actually be motivated to finish it. So yeah. Right now we're working on basically like the fast travel system. It's gonna be just this rocket. So I'm working on just setting up random stuff for it. But yeah, how you doing? How you been? Yeah, big games. Yeah, exactly. So it's like I keep going in circles on my big game, and like I broke stuff that I have to fix, and it's gonna take forever. So I'm like, I'd rather do this, break it into this, like, even my larger game. I want to take what I have and use it for smaller projects, right? Like at this point, where it's like maybe I can just, and it's something I know myself, where it's like I always tell people, start, you know, don't do large games, and yet I always do large games. But I was trying to tell people, like, there's a player camera manager class that's nice. Yeah. No, especially, like, there's tons of game ideas that I've had over the years where it's like, it would be easy to do. Like, I was working on one that I think I'd like to do after this, even. Just I'd want it to be multiplayer, like, music's pretty loud. Okay, sorry. Thanks for letting me know. That should be better, hopefully. Which is weird. Let me see. Did I change my? No, I didn't. Okay. Hopefully better. Yeah. I hate sound. No, I was trying to do like a camera shake or something on here, right? So I forgot this sound. Yeah. Where were we? Where's the rocket? There we go. Hold on. Let's see. Gameplay. Camera mode. What is that? What is that node? I don't even know what this node is. I mean, this is not node, but interesting. Okay, pop blend. So this is like smoothing camera. Okay, so this is probably for sequencer. Yeah, because this is for transitions for a camera. Okay. And then it's a gameplay. It's a gameplay asset. It's a UV4 5.5 is on the UV5 main. They made a they branched out 5.4 for its own features. Yeah, no, so Burst isn't in yet. I mean, Tim Sweeney and them say like Burst is going to be UE6. What's on 5.5? I mean, they've only done some initial updates for 5.5. Because it literally like they pushed the version number out, and then like they pushed a couple things that couldn't make it in time to hit 5.4. I know like but like stuff for 5.4 is still coming out, so I'm not sure what's going to be what's going to what. I know 5.4 should be here in March. I mean, GDC time, that's their schedule normally. So either before that or after it. But I know we're supposed to be getting like the Mover 2.0 plugin with 5.4, which is like the new character movement. That's like fully replicated. And then but I've seen the stuff I saw pushed. I don't know if it got pushed before the 5.4 branched off or afterwards, but there's like a new material designer plugin that I actually just made a video on. And they finally added the motion design, which is like the Avalanche UMG stuff that they sent out to some people, which is for like actual motion design software, like so for like TV, motion graphics and stuff. I saw that they added some it's a post-process material chain graph as well as a neural rendering. And the post-process material chain graph is supposed to be where you can actually render out to a render target a post-process material and then bring it back in. And you can do stuff without getting the scene color. And all sorts of where you're actually writing the post-processing, basically. Where you're going to be able to like write. I imagine it's so that you can like write a scene color. I mean, you can use post processing on. I mean, it says it in the thing. It's so that you can write it to a render target. So like a render target could be anything really. But that would allow you to have some more control over like post process stuff. Hopefully, in the end. But we'll see what they, other than that, like the stuff I've seen is like, just overall, there's now an Unreal shader, like batching tool in here. Where's the Epic? The UBA controller. So now you can actually, it's got a built-in like distribution system for like if you had some distributed computing set up, you could set this up and have it where everything's all the shaders are getting compiled everywhere, which I was like, that's pretty cool for not people that are me. But yeah, no, overall like the editor in general has just been optimized and stuff. Are you? No, I'm 5.5 technically. I built the editor on the 31st. I'm on UE5 main because I like to live dangerously. Yeah, there's tons of. That's where it's like I don't know. And how's it going, Mac? I know like the harmonic stuff is in here. That you can do. Like for me, like that's where like for me it's like I don't want to like we're slowly putting a GPU driven pipeline together. That's cool. But like for the most part, like I'm showing the plugins, but obviously that's the most forward facing thing I can show. Which is why I always like when things are in plugins. I know that they're changing a lot of the property systems. Because that's like now there's like the now they're separated out into plugins. All the property bindings and stuff like that. So yeah. And then I'm scared to activate things like this. So I mean, they've had a animation nexus. This is where it's like I don't use the non-source builds enough to know. Like they've had an animation next plugin system for a while. They've overall been updating the animation library and like anything for like procedural animation stuff has been updated. Like it's hard to say because it's literally like every single system's been actor sequencer. No. I don't think actor sequencer, I think, has barely been touched. Like, I know what you're talking about. Like, this one. This one hasn't been touched, really, and since they made it. Really, I think it just... the improvements it's gotten has been because like sequencer itself has improved a little bit, but like I feel like this is gonna at some point yeah, so like this is a thing. Or yeah, got it. Yeah. No, I agree that it's super useful. I think in the end they probably want to get sequencer done and then figure it out where a better way to do it. I mean obviously I'm just talking out my ass. But yeah, there's it's hard to, it's one of those things, right? Like I just normally just read like the actual commits that are happening. Because they update every single part of the engine. It's been updated in some way, right? I can't just be like, like they changed Slate, they changed UMG, they changed. There's so many things that are just like, oh, that bug no longer happens. Like they've been doing a lot of like nanite displacement is a big feature that's coming in like 5.4, 5.5. I mean, they had their list. I forget what their Trello or whatever they post of like the upcoming features. That's basically it of like the big forward facing stuff that is known. But like they always improve like some sort of static mesh handling. No, it's not like it's literally just like their upcoming features for the editor, where they kind of list a couple features that they're planning for the next version of the editor. But like the nanite stuff, nanite's gotten tons of work on like the visualization modes. I don't think I have nanite like actually in. It might be. So like now nanite has all of the visualization modes. It has tessellation is back. Depending on like when you look, I know like tessellation is in 5.3 if you use a console command, I believe, but it's nowhere near as like it. The performance is improved. The actually it not breaking your models improved. Tons of stuff. So yeah. It's such a big editor, right? Like to me, I'm just like, it's working and it's working better and there's cooler stuff. Like I'm gonna touch 1% of the editor. Did I not put a top on that? Yeah, so I mean that's been a move since like I mean they started it a little bit before 5, but like that was the big UV5 push, right? That they were moving tons of systems there, and then it makes it nice because then like the they can compete with Unity on size eventually of like a executable game. But then like anything can be a gameplay feature type of thing that you just add or remove whether or not you need it. Which is nice. Right? They finally went to, you know, they were like, you know, hey, look, this I mean, I'm happy for it because it's nice where it like anytime they kind of go in and have to change a system, they generally like, even the ones that they've made into plugins, whatever, they've done some work to it, even to fix just a couple of the bugs that have been standing there for a minute. Whatever, it's like, we'll see. I always hope for the best, obviously. Just, I'm just sealing that up. That's all we're in here for. But yeah, I like the, so like the, I guess I can really see. So like the material designer thing's really interesting. It's more for like, I would imagine the same thing that the actual UMG stuff it's for. Not so much for game dev, but more for like the art fizz, the the non-game uses of the engine, which is everything. So like I had a video I did. I'm gonna it's coming out later at some point. On it, but it's super simple. Where literally all you do is you're working with like a base color and opacity, and then from there it's layers and FX. You don't have to work like this is why I'm saying it's for like more of that type of thing where they're just getting what they want. This is up front, like you're working on this. I need like this is more like the 3ds Max, compact thing, right? You're not looking at how the material works. You're just getting this is what you're displaying. This is how it displays. But it comes with like they've added lots of material functions so that you can like pixelate things. So like I can see this being used by like YouTubers and stuff like that, even where this is how they know how to do a material because it's diffuse, opacity, and then you could design tons of stuff and use it for intros, use it for especially with the UMG tools that they're making. Avalanche / whatever they renamed it to. It's cool stuff. Anyways. I don't know, I'm excited about all that stuff. I saw that they Wixalot. Great name. Thanks for the follow. I saw that they announced like 6 Unreal Fest dates though. This week for anyone that does follow Unreal and likes to follow all that stuff. I hope I can make it to the one in. There's gonna be one in Seattle in like September, October, like the last week of September. So I'm hoping I can go there. That'd be fun. Meet any of y'all. We'll see. Don't murder me. Be like, you've been using my editor wrong. Meet your demise. This is what you get for not releasing your games. I'm just kidding. The only person that says that to me is Straight Edge, and he already can murder me any day he wants. He knows where I sleep. AKA, he's my brother-in-law. But yeah. Like I always thought the Unreal meetup stuff was cool, so I'm hoping it will be great. We'll see though. Because for all I know, who knows? Cool. All right. We should make this an interaction thing. Interactable. Is what the class should be, I think. Gotta go Crash? Yeah, no worries. Thanks for stopping in. I always appreciate it. Yeah, I'm hoping to stick around too. I've been, I don't know, I've been remotivated. I found I don't know. It's a lot. But, yeah. Good seeing you. Yeah, I bet it would be. No, I mean, if it ends up happening, it'd be awesome. You're like, I don't know you, Volk. Don't be trying to meet me. You can't know about this. No, I'm playing. Hopefully. But yeah, no, I mean, to me, it's like, it's always been, I always hear about it too late, honestly. You know what I mean? Like, I think the last one they announced like 2 months ahead of time or something. They might have announced it sooner than that, but I didn't see it until like 2 months ahead of time. And I was like, oh, like New Orleans sounds cool, or whatever it was. I think it was New Orleans last time. I don't know, all of the years combined. It's still 2020, right? All right, what was I doing? Sorry. Let's add the. Oh, what are those? No, let's. I didn't get to interact. If I could spell interact. But yeah, we'll see either way. Like, I'm trying to I don't even know where I'll be at that point in my life. Hopefully I'm still breathing. Knock on wood, Jesus. Sorry. I didn't mean that in a terrible way. I'm fine. I'm not sick or anything. I mean, I am sick, but not that kind of sick. Jesus. On player, enter. I don't even know why I'm doing this in here. I'm gonna rewrite this. Wait, why do I have this twice? That doesn't make sense. Oh, that's why. God, I hate that it does that. Event, player, enter radius. And then we'll do the overlay thing. I'll steal it. Last time I was like, hey, you're going to GDC just a few weeks. I mean, at least that's kind of... So to me, it's like... The nice thing about that is they probably paid you. I mean, they did pay you for that. I would imagine if they didn't, that would suck. But I mean, that's pretty cool. Last year was the year... Yeah, I think was the what's called game, right? Because you shared the link on the... that your colleagues did. If I remember right. I remember the link. I'm just not saying it. Just but yeah, I mean that's pretty cool. I mean, I guess it depends if you want to go at this point or not. Like depending on if you've gone before. I know that's how like E3 was for me after going. It was just like, let's not go again. And then they ended it. And then I'm like, I made this. I'm not saying I went to the last ever E3, but, you know. No, I think there was one more after me, right? In 2020. God, what was it? Event. But that was digital, right? Oh, God. That one didn't count. Sorry. Hyper. All right. What am I looking for? I know what this is. It's event leave radius. Leave player radius, and then I was looking for a cube. I had added a cube over here because I'm lazy. And realistically, this just needs to be the same child of the same actor so that I can not have to do this, but we're gonna do this. I don't know if I'm gonna keep this, but at the moment I've got an overlay material, like whether or not I'll keep the material, but I'll probably keep the system of just using the overlay material. Hey, Near Caster, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Help support the channel. Means a lot. Alright. Did I have to assign it? I forgot. It might actually just also be compiling and not showing me because of course not. Let me double check. I think I might have had to select something in here. Overlay. Stop looking at everything. Okay, no. I didn't even assign it, so this should be fine. Oh, is this... Oh, you know what's happening? It's not, we're not in the overlap area. Because this one actually uses an overlap. So we'll do a capsule. That fits this the best, I think. God damn it. Oh, that's my least favorite part of this. Oh, there we go. Whoop. Yeah, there we go. Okay, cool. I mean, really, realistically, we could just trace for the correct channel, like change the rocket to that channel as well. But Which work? Sorry. This needs to be vehicle because I didn't make my own. Did it? No. Okay, no focus for me. Is it not vehicle? Did I forget how this works? Probably. Not vehicle overlap event. I gotta stop closing it every time. Capsule. Vehicle. Generate. Did I not? Is the collision for this larger? Probably. Some weird thing like that. Oh yeah, I saw that they added to the 3D modeling mode. Basic, which to me, I'm like, where's the 3D modeling mode going now that the person that's been making it left the company? They added like a, I don't remember if this was here before, is editor. I remember there was a, like the collision to mesh to, you know, stuff like that. But I don't remember that you could add simple collision before. I'll have to actually go back and look. I thought that was cool, where you could actually see collision in editor when you select something, and you can actually, I don't remember. Too much, too many features in my brain. Half features in my brain. Okay, let's see. What's the collision look like? Could it be that? Yellow. What am I doing? Collisions. Show. What the heck is that? Oh yeah, that would be. That's gross. There we go. Sure, that's good enough. Okay, cool. Cool. Oh no. Anyone watching on Twitch, you're gonna get an ad in 3 minutes. It is a long ad. I'm gonna get up and actually stretch as well. I changed it so that there's just one ad per hour instead of doing an ad break every 30 minutes. I feel like that's a little better. I don't know. It's longer ads, obviously, which suck. But I generally get up every hour myself so that I can stretch and not be sitting so long. So I was hoping it could be like, it could balance out where, you know, you guys get up, do whatever. I know most people watching are just either doing game dev themselves or, you know, just I'm in the background anyway. So it's like, but I don't like not having control of the ads where like it sucks. It's just a thing on Twitch now, but like Twitch makes us play them, or they randomly play them for you and will play you intro ads. And basically, if we don't make the time that they want us to hit, I found they play random ads. They'll literally just like, you're getting an ad, no one else is getting an ad, and it's like that experience to me just sucks. So like, bear with us. I need to make like a command for chat. Is this even hitting? Like, did I use the wrong interact system somehow? Am I not? No, it's calling. So why don't we see the overlay material? Let's try this. Let's just go here. That's the right static mesh, right? There's only one, right? What's this look like if we just add the overlay material? Is it that one? What am I working on? We're working on, I'm trying to fix this, which is just a little selection when this is on here. But overall, I'm working on a top-down, just stylized. I want to call it like a cozy game. You know, it's a game that you're just gonna go around, help people around this island, and explore, do some. This is kind of interesting. I wonder why it's not. Oh, you know what? Do we have? No, it's writing to world position, which makes this able to work. And that's just it selected. Okay, interesting. So why does this one? Why does it work on here? Yeah, that's the same one. So does it work here? Let's see. Overlay material. Interesting. Let's do the same thing here. This is what we should be seeing. So, oh, you know what? While the ad break's going on, I will be right back. I'm gonna get up, stretch, all that. I recommend y'all doing the same. All right. Sorry. So, I bought these things that are like, oh, what kind of game is it? Hey, sorry about that. I was, did I already answer that? I might have. Maybe. I don't think I did. It's just a top-down, like, I don't know, top-down adventure game. Is what I've been calling it, where you're gonna, like, get to help out this town. Stuff like that. That is weird that this won't show. I wonder... What could cause that? Because I didn't set anything special on this. Hey. Okay, then. You, Alright. Alright. No, I found this, like, they got, like, a cheese corn dog thing. It's like a Korean street food thing at Costco. My god, they're delicious. And apparently it took longer than 3 minutes to eat. Okay, so why would this happen? So, first things first, we test material. No. Or you know what? Let's test this. What happens if we delete this material? Does it then work? It can overlay only work on one? No. Not that. This has an overlay material, right? Oh. Yeah. Okay. So we should be seeing the overlay material right now. So. I was thinking maybe because of the main material, but nothing really changed there. It's just using the metal gradient. Oh, that's nice. Wait, what one did I have before? It was not that one. That's so weird. Oh, you know what? I wonder, do I gotta... No, it shouldn't be that. 0 should be forever. So this is getting called. You know what? What if I just do this? But that shouldn't work because it's still not showing like this. And it should show in this mode. So what do we do about that? I think we just got to move on from that for now. It sucks, but all right. So now we do event on main interact. Which I think I'm gonna make main interact space. I'm not sure though. That's a jump. So this is where we would then. We'll just say this for now. So for now, we'll just launch rocket. Just so that something's plugged in. So it's working. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, cool. I think I'll do this where obviously I still need to model this, add detail, etc. Go like this. We'll do like we probably could do like a little pivot animation here. So that we can kind of have this inside here, obviously. And then do an array. Pop, pop, pop. 0. One. 0. Negative. Pop, pop. Cool. Hey, zoom in, please. I think I need to get a new mouse. Or I need to figure out how to better clean my, like I've cleaned it, but it's not fixed the issue where, my like scroll wheel is like doing like 1 forward, 2 back type thing. Do something like that. Excuse me. Oh, you know what? Just wait. There we go. Then we do like got into some crazy heartbound level. You can always tell it's exciting. You'd probably do like do an emissive here to add light here with lumen and stuff. Like it's not gonna be a lot, so we could probably do like, let's I don't know, let's test it, right? So emissive, and let's do both of those because we're not gonna see the bottom necessarily. Obviously just, yeah, we can. And then go like this. Oh. LOL. Oh, I guess it doesn't inherit the color. Okay. Oh, yeah. Anyways, so that's gonna be the stairs. All right, this is too extreme. Sorry, love it, but no. We gotta go to an earlier, less There we go. Whoa. Hey, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thanks for the sub. That really helps out the channel. All right. All right, so let's go here. So these stairs are going to be, so what I was saying is like, we can animate them down, right? So we'll like take the pivot point and like put them down, but for now we'll just have them out, right? I'm not going to take the time to put them somewhere. We're just going to, boop. We don't even have the door yet. That's fine. All right, cool. Okay, so this is where I've been getting some weirdness. Like, what is happening to these normals? I mean, I guess I should reset them and stuff and do stuff, but maybe it's just I didn't do the UVs. Hopefully. But otherwise, I've been having some weird import-export issues with Blender. I should probably update it or look into it like a smart person would. Glow. That's not the. Do I not have a glowing material? Materials. Template. No, not even a. Okay. Material. Hello. Base. How do I do other emissive then? Hold on. Okay, that just uses. What's this one called? Window. Okay. Oh, you know what? That might be because. Yeah, let's check. What's this look like? I mean, that's not bad. Can't be seen at all, so that's cool. I don't even think I have Illumina on to make a difference there. Also, this is tiny. We still need to. Maybe we'll just shrink his head. That'll probably make it better, right? Your head's just too big to fit. You can't get on this ride. Your head must be this small. Can't weigh 20 pounds. Alright, we'll still make this though. So this is gonna be like a color. I mean, honestly, it should just be emissive, but multiply. We know that never works out. I always like to just have this where we just amount, glow amount, one glow. We can do a different color with this. That's why I'm saying like we might set like that. Rid of this. We get it where it's closer to the dark color. So I don't know. We can set it in the instant download if we have to. Okay. Okay. Set the default to like 5. So, boom. Where's this boom? Can you even tell the difference anymore? I sure can't. But we will when we can't have flowy stuff. I say that and I'll probably change it still. Because we're gonna do like probably have a time of day thing in here that modifies the blurb. Blurb. Alright. And this needs to be a little different too. Probably wasting space here, right? No, I was thinking if we maybe we just do this. Maybe we take this section, hit that grid button, put it to like 50, or hit 100 on accident. That's fine too. There we go. Because then we can make the player walk out to like here, right? And also this. Hello? There we go. Goes to this. Right. We could put a computer here or some, put some kind of tech in here. Maybe like a larger version of some kind of thing like this. Like put a large pipe on, some random technology that makes no sense, but blocks the way. Good old video game barrel. Where else would it go? Cool. Okay. Maybe do some like this is where we could have some fun with decals. So, or even just meshes that are flat, because how we're working. So we could do like a landing zone is what I'm thinking, and that will be the actual, like, do something like this, right? Do Blender, are you okay? Computer, are you okay? My god, oh god. Yeah. What is this? Oh, there we go. It opened a new Blender even though I hit Blender. That was strange. Okay. Don't ask questions. Well, we won't know the answer. All right. So something like that, and then let's just do a little. Now, what would be the best way to do this? I guess we could technically inset, and then cut. Cut to this perfectly measured? No. Am I making this like in the weirdest way ever? Correct. Is it working? Yeah. Sure. Did we make all that just to delete it? Yes. Boop. Something like that, right? I realized that I could have just taken a box and extruded out the side. But you know what? That's not how we're doing things today. Okay. I think this is the like most even one. I don't know why I did it that way. Because we can also just measure. Like, there's a grid for a reason. Right? Like, cool. Take that. Sometimes, you know, your brain just overcomplicates something. And then we hit mirror, mirror, on the wall. Okay. Cool. And then let's do another for the circle. So, do like this. Edit. Oh no, this is the, yeah, okay. I can say this is the one that's like this. Okay, cool. I should have edited how detailed this was. I sure hope those are the same ones. Does complete. Something like that. Take it. Take them all. Take all of these. Ta-da. Landing pad. Landing pad marks. I might, so we don't get Z fighting anywhere. Whoa, why is it not selecting everything? Oh, you know what? Oh, I made, nope, let's hold on. Boom. Apply that. Now do it. I was gonna say I might extrude just slightly. Or maybe we'll just push it. We'll just push it up in the material based on distance. This is gonna be called launch pad decal. Cool. And this can be its own little thing. And it's main. All right. Or we could have some fun. We could like I don't know. We'll see. Honestly, I'm thinking just have it be fully white. Maybe this color. See what that looks like. I think that's too cloud-like. I just know if I make it like perfectly like white or gray, it'll look a little weird. I don't know. I feel like this in here needs to be burnt up. We need to burn things, gosh. No, I mean, it doesn't even matter. Come on now. People, like the people that notice, I don't care about. Stock management for launch pad decal. That cool. All right. Main. Maybe we just make one that's like a dirty version of everything. Like it has like dirt on it and stuff. As in that kind of dirt, not a, you know, anything weird. All right, so let's go here. Copy this. Paste that. Now set the Z. Set Z. Nope, doesn't work. How's that already? Oh, okay. The shadow was just tricking me and not updating. Rude. Very, very rude. All right, but we should do this. There doesn't need to be a shadow on here, right? You're not gonna notice. Whoa, what's that? This damn zoom, dude. But yeah, there you go. Look at that. Oh. Then we do. And then boom, launch, take off. Nice, fancy, fancy. Only the fanciest for our fancy, fancy. All right, cool. So from there, we make things explode. No, how do we? Let's see. Let me see. I don't know. I like this idea. I think we need to do like a ramp or something here, because there technically should be a difference here at the entrance, but at the same time the other places don't do a ramp. So we'll do like I said, and do like a, I'm thinking like random, like the debris that we got here, right? So like, oh, maybe reuse like the toolbox, you know, be like a what's called kit, like a health kit, something, I don't know, fire extinguisher, some just like comedy type, or like the fire extinguisher is not going to put out a rocket landing in the middle of town. But you know what? Gonna try today. Oh, that's awesome. Oh man. I get, like, you get the idea, right? Obviously, it's not supposed to be complex. It's supposed to just be like a simplified little. Here you go. We could put like the stool here because it matches. So stool, right? We'll do like a control desk or something. Because I'm trying to think how we can reuse what we got, right? Like, there's a miniature version of this we could use. Oh, I didn't import it, I don't think. Let's see. Yeah, so we got like a miniature solar panel we can use, like solar grid. We could do it where like we have like batteries or something next to this, right? Oh, random pipes is what I'm imagining. Something simplified but complex enough to keep this like a place to be like, oh, okay, yeah, sciencey, technology, STEM, words that mean nothing. No, just random science words. I would love to make it where, like, model this or you know, remodel it a little bit where we can make it this actually rotate with the sun based on time of day. I think that would be fun. Yeah, this doesn't look like I was thinking like metal crates would be the last little bit over here. You know, maybe a pipe, and then yeah, done with that. Gotta add some more rocks here. It's slowly coming together. I gotta think of more. We got the repair shop. We got the we got a bakery. Now what else do we need? I'm trying to think, like, player could unlock XYZ, right? What would they? Oh god, there's not landscape down here. That's what they want you to think. Okay. Add a note here. Note. That's not note. I'm a couple letters off and not even in the right section. So note. Sci-fi. Barrel. Crate. Or metal barrels. Crates. I think we need to do one of these in this color so that we can do like a see this, let's go. No? Okay. Cool. Like the way this is going. So from here, we need to add the interactability here. So we're gonna do like a add in on landing sequence. So I think I'm trying to think. No, I don't know. We'll probably do like a hologram there, right? So I was thinking, like, if we fast travel somewhere else, our ships are to be at this location, right? So if, like, we fast travel and then come back here somehow, like, that should be possible. If it's possible, we need to hide our ship and have a landing animation. No matter what, there needs to be a landing animation. We land, I think. But what we should do besides this is I'm trying to think. So what we should do is so on play or enter, we're gonna need to make a widget. So this will be the game menu widget common activatable widget widget underscore fast travel. That's not how you spell travel. Right, so what we'll do is we'll probably populate a list of buttons. So I think I have buttons that are just button with text. If not, I need to make that. Okay, so that's those aren't mine. But like this, right? So like this has text in that, but it also has other stuff set up to it. So we need to do like a first things first overlay in the wrong thing. I do that every time. So overlay, and then we're gonna do a list. Do we do like common list, or do we do I'm trying to think, like just do a, so we're gonna do first thing first, wrong thing. So vertical box. And then in that we'll have like a separate widget basically. We could use this basically to say horizontal box. Inside of there. Native, okay. And then, sorry, I'm trying to think. We probably need like a size box and some other stuff, but we'll just do the list for now. Collection move. Okay. Or I guess we could just add it to this. We'll just. For now, I'm lazy. Let's add child. Button. Create widget. Button. UI button. There. There. And I guess we'll do this. We'll get like a. Map. Didn't it get map? We get a array of maps. Map. I forget. Doesn't matter. Anyway, it'd be like this, right? Like the array. String. This text. Why can't we bring map? Do I want something like this? That's what I wasn't sure. Set. Yeah. All right. So. Pregnant. Changing my mind 5 times. Hold on. What is it? Not equal. Think what it's called. And from there, 3, 4 loop. Up for each. Loop. Create the thing. Get this one. Based on that one, we set a we get here. Got UI button. Do I have a set UI name, UI whatever? Nope, we just have set nothing. Cool. Not the Jesus Christ. The stark difference of just like, yeah. Nice and chilled it is. Dun 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 dun. I mean, it's great. Don't get me wrong. Amazing. It's just on random. It's funny. Round button. That's what we'll use. Round butt. All right. Get some round button and change the display text. Okay, is that the right one? I don't think it is. We don't just have a button that we're exporting out, doing stuff with. I don't know why. Rude. Let's see. But either way, it'd be something like that, right? Where for each thing, we get that. Sure. Let's do a custom button actually. Set up, but need your butt set right. I mean, you don't want someone amateur dealing with your butt. All right. Get that. That text from there. Either way, let's, and then we'll make this more crazy too as we go. So it'll be like home. Town. Ta-da! I did magic. Hey, look at that. It did it thrice. That needs to be cleared. And then this. We need to clear it first, or it can get weird. Clear children, and then to make the children. There we go. Alright. And then from here, what I was trying to say is, like, let's do... Interesting. Why is this not... Alright. Oh, you know what? It's clearing this. No, it's not. It is. It can't be doing that, but it is. How rude. You don't exist. But you do. Oh. That's no good. Alright. Let's wrap this with then horizontal box. No, not that. Wrap with horizontal box. And then from here, the horizontal box is where we'll put like a box, another overlay. Right. There's gonna be like an image. However it might be, you know. Put some text in here. Right. And this will basically be set based on that. By the way, for anyone watching on Twitch, there is going to be an ad in 2 minutes. I just like to give a little bit of heads up. We'll do a spacer. The reason why is then we can animate it. Right. 3 minutes gets selected, whatever. We can bloop, 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 bloop. I wonder if we do that to the opposite side, actually. Like over here. Right. We'll just like fast travel information up here. Like text. Hey, Couch Pirate, how's it going? Hope you're having a good day. Like that. We don't have a stop. Oh, you know what? That's why I like the other one. So replace this with the common text block. Or not. Or we just do this. Having a sleepless night, but that's all right. Cause nice. I mean, honestly, at least that's good. I mean, it can be. It can also be the nights you end up, you know, overworking yourself. As long as you're careful. I get that though. Like, so I'm a night person for sure. And then can't ever sleep. Like, I get most of my work done actually, like probably like after 7. It's like 10 o'clock to 2 a.m. is my work schedule. You know what I mean? Something about it just being quiet everywhere, right? No one else moving. No one else being alive at that time. You know, like, the world's not active. My brain can calm down. Oh no! And ads. Yeah, people stop. Yeah. You might have an ad, so you might not even hear this. I don't know. I should block it for you, but I'm just gonna be doing this. I'm actually gonna get up and stretch. I recommend everyone do the same if you can still hear me. You don't have an ad? Yeah. Yeah, I know it just started, but you just got here, so you shouldn't have it. But I'm gonna get up. They're every hour, so I realize, like, so it's like it's a reminder for me as well. Like, get up, stretch for a minute. I'll be back. I just realized I don't think you guys hear desktop audio on the screen. Hold on. There we go. Okay. There we go. Like, and I didn't mute myself or something. I'll be back though. Sorry about that. But that I try to get up every hour anyways. We all sit too much, right? Just takes me a minute. So yeah, it's a, you know, too many. It's such an easy thing to do nowadays to just sit, especially with streaming. Wrap with a vertical box, and then do another. So one's gonna be the actual text item name. We'll even set that. Or it should be, yeah, not item name, but place name, whatever. And then invest in a standing desk and have struggle with finding gun and switching between. Yeah, so I have a standing desk as well. I just try not to do it when streaming. It's loud, so. But no, that's pretty good. That's awesome. I mean, I'm happy that they're coming down in price. It used to be like, I remember when they first came out, and it was like you could only get them if you spent freaking way too much. But yeah, no, I'm happy with mine. I just I don't know, it's hard to do streaming, like focus on standing, focus on, you know, I don't know. Thankfully I do have my desk set up to do it if I need to. I just, yeah. Alright, so let's just do like a spacer here. It's probably gonna be something else later. I'm just trying to set up, like, it's not that I'm setting up what it's gonna look like, but it's just get a little bit of that feeling, right? Get an idea of what we're thinking. Something like that. And we'll just select it. It'll be name, and then maybe maybe like, I'm trying to think the details, because I was thinking almost like item inventory, you know, when you select an item in an inventory, but it's like, so we select the name, say we're going home. Oh, that's not too bad. I mean, compared to where it used to be, like, especially if it's got like a dual motor one. I think like the single motor ones you can find for like 200, 300 now. And then the dual motor you can... No, exactly. That's what I ended up doing. Like, I kept buying like desks that were cheaper than that, like the, you know, $150 type desks. And it's like they just break it down over time because they're not built to last. It's not worth to have. Compared to like an actual sturdier desk. It's the same with chairs, right? Like, I do, you know, my computer is where I do work. I do everything here, so I'm here the majority of my day. And it's like, where'd the spacer? Here we go. I accidentally back it out. Okay. So it's like I might as well invest in a chair rather than like having it break once a year, you know, every year. I mean, it's the same with everything in life, right? But anyways. All right. So, but I was thinking, so if we do something like this, I was trying to think like we could do like, by details, I mean like hazard level. So like we'll list like, it will probably be an image at the end of the day where we do like hazardness, warnings, and maybe like if we have it, I don't know. It depends on the effort I put in, but we might do like quests. I'm not sure what we're gonna do quests yet, because right now I think I want to keep everything simple and a little less like more Animal Crossing, less, you know, Fallout detail level. And by that I just mean like, you know, quest wheels, having to talk to everybody. Less of that. Oh, what am I working on? I need to work on an elevator pitch for it. Right now it is a top-down exploration game. This is a side project at the moment. But it's basically you're gonna go around and your job is to help everyone in the town, and you're gonna explore this island. There's gonna be some think like Animal Crossing meets a little bit of Zelda, where you're gonna have like that dungeon exploration of Zelda, and then instead of building the town like Animal Crossing, it's more of a you help the villagers, right? So if you've seen like Ooblets, maybe that's a better example. Ooblets meets Zelda, where the goal is just to kind of the goal was to take a break from my main project, but to kind of just work on a new art style and try to make something simple. So I want it to be a simple game that kind of anyone can play if they want. Where, what's your main project? My main project is more of a large Zelda-like game, but non-combative. It's a 3D action-adventure game. And it's just on scale of where basically that game, I can tell you, is basically about there's this corruption taking over the world, and bro, your chats don't show on Twitch. They do, unless you're saying something else. I see all of them. Unless I'm not sure what nearcaster means, unless you're like I am unsure about your chat, since they seem like first the bot and then other stuff. Yeah. I see your... Yeah, I can see all of your chats. I replied to all your chats. Yeah, see? This is my chat window. They don't show up on my stream, but they show up on Twitch as restream. And then I see a combined chat for you guys. But yeah, it's basically like corruption's taking over. It's your job to figure out what happened. You're in post-apocalyptic world. And we end up solving, dungeon crawling in there as well. Just actual dungeons and not. I need to work on my elevator pitches. It's one of those things where I have very detailed thoughts about my games, and all right, this is this, and then it's to actually spit it out and talk to someone that's different. Where it's my brain only thinks of what I've recently worked on, right? But yeah, with my main project, think if you've seen Mass Effect Andromeda, right? Or I guess Zelda. God damn it, I'm not copying Zelda, but it sounds very Zelda-like. No, it's supposed to be there's this corruption spreading that you can reverse, and but it's spreading to the land, right? So the actual world is this darkened world until you take out these crystals type things that have grown inside the planet, or however I want to explain that at the end of the day, because that's not done yet. But it's taking over all the creatures and animals, and then alright, cool. Anyways, so we're working on rocket stuff. What was I working on before the break? We had stuff. We were working on that. We got this working. Oh, we were working on the UI. That's what we were doing. Into a generalized and easily communicated. Yeah, exactly, right? How about you? Do you, I imagine you do game dev or something. Most people that watch do, in general. If you do, feel free to share, or if you do art, anything like that, you feel free to link anything. And if you don't feel comfortable doing that here, there's places on the Discord and stuff. Okay, cool. So instead of just launch rocket, we're gonna do push widget to main. I think for me in my head too, especially with my main project. So my main project I've been working on for a few years, and like, yeah, I imagine. My main project I've been working on for a couple years, and like I've been trying to just scope it down. So it's more like my brain is trying to like just like actively parse through everything and be like, oh no, yes, no, yeah, no, yeah, oh yeah. It honestly might just end up becoming a different game than it is at the moment. I don't know. We'll see what happens with this one, and then where my time goes. What am I doing? We're looking for. I cannot think of the name, even though we just fast travel. And then the budget reference. I guess we could. We don't want undestroyed. I forgot. Does this push and activate? Yeah, it does. Okay. I'm trying to think of something. How do we then launch this? When we decide a thing in here. Oh, that's cool. Okay, cool. It doesn't share the bot stuff. So it can't be undestroyed because that will happen either way, even if the player just backs out. So what would it be? We'll probably send something this way. All right, cool. Let's either way check that this is here. Whoa. That was weird. Did it add 2 instances of this? Let me just... I don't know why I backed out and then... No, you're not. You're good. Honestly, I'm the bot. Like, I don't think and I'd reverse it. Especially since I just said it like that. It's fine. It's okay. Nothing will happen. I promise. You'll die, but random gameplay video of what you're working on professionally anyways. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, what is this? Arla Prime. Okay, cool. I like it. Looks good. This okay, 4v4. This is pretty cool. I like it. I don't know what you did on it, but it's nice. It's definitely, I mean, it's obviously, you know. Oh, it's an FPS game. Oh, okay, cool. So there's an actual, you got some blockout levels in here too. Not everything's all done. Is it nice. That's cool. Thanks for sharing. I'll take a look at it more later. I've never heard of the game, so that's cool. Much appreciated. All right. What was I thinking? Can we let's put this out. Oh, god damn it. That feature needs to be turned off. Technical designer, so essentially blue, yeah. As well as gameplay designer, mostly working on gadgets and recently building the tutorial. Awesome, cool. That right there is the hard part right there. Tutorials. That's always the fun part of the game. Always like the hit or miss. That's pretty cool though. Awesome. God damn it. Here, let's. I hate double clicking on things. No, let's say added widget, because I'm pretty sure this is adding it twice for some reason. Or it's that the activation is hitting and it's already on auto activate. No, it's adding it twice. Interesting. Is there 2 rockets? No. On interaction with E. Weird. So this is happening twice. So that means... Oh, I don't like that. I don't like that at all. Oh. That means I messed up somewhere in C++. Right? Main interaction with E isn't in here, right? Make sure. Basically part of this stuff's all in blueprints and then gets moved over to C++. And I'm pretty sure that's something I've moved over. I'm not sure why it would call itself twice though. It's probably because I have something under like an if thing, or you know, and it's I thought I'd fix all the issues with this. This would be characters plus. Okay. Main interaction with E. I don't know why I even put with E. Just need main interaction. Well, here it is. Okay, so is it the trace not working right? No, it should be... Wait. Oh, it's not even in here. Wait. Okay, so this is fine. I mean, this is just the trace. Where's the actual... setup? Is it not on here either? Where the hell is it? I know how things work. It's not on character? It's not on the... Because I know it's an interface event, but I thought I override it in here. Player input. Oh dear God. Things are loading. It's not happy. Wait, hold on. No, I deleted the random spare one. I was gonna be like, is it because there's a random one right there that's also technically created? Hey, thanks for something, I think. Danielus? Thanks for the follow, I appreciate it. Helps out the channel and all that jazz. Okay, set up player input. Am I just missing it and can't read? Is it live? God dang it, my scroll wheel is like scrolling to the same spot every time. Grr. Okay, so it's player controller maybe? See. It'd be funny if I open this whole thing just to not even have to. PC. So this one's just based on that. What is this one? That side widget. That's a weird bug. I'm wondering if it happens other places. I think it does it to the other widget thing too. I'm wondering what's happening there. Nope, wrong button. I was one off. My God, I don't need PCG. Okay, begin play. We're adding controls here. We're not like duplicating that control, are we? And like hitting it twice somehow? Heck, that's not even a control. Okay, it is right here. Yeah, from settings. Yeah, input action. Oh, okay. You know what? It's called input action. I missed that. Here. Yeah. Player. Action. Input action. Oh my God. I wonder why it's getting called twice. Who knows? I'm not sure what was supposed to be happening here. Huh. My goodness. Probably should be uncompleted. I feel like this is supposed to be something. This is supposed to be a different node. Like there's a interaction. There we go. That's what it's supposed to be. Main interaction released. Ah, okay. So this main interaction release. Stupid thing. I've been doing that forever. I thought it was already moved over, but this has been here, so it hasn't. Okay, cool. We can move that at some point. I gotta actually start doing that. Now it's fine. Everything's fine. Ta-da! I'm magic. Oh. My goodness. I always hate when I make like a dumb mistake like that where it's like, come on. I'm not sure what I'm not sure how that probably like happened, like where like I was fixing it and like the engine crashed and then I just forgot about it. Cause I, you know, went and took a nap or something because I was like done with the engine. Oh man, okay. I was gonna find screenshots of the game, like my main game, but apparently I've deleted them. We have a couple saved on my drive still, but nothing crazy. Like I know we have some better screenshots than that. I don't want to open it up right now because I'm already tired. We got like our this was to like show off. It's a little stylized little bricks we got. Some nanite. I have like nanite versus non-nanite stuff on it to use like PDO. Is this my game? Nope, that's Fortnite. Like little dungeon designs. What's this? Oh, that's just Substance Painter. Substance Designer, I mean. Oh, this is an older one. Definitely unfinished models. Yep, right. But yeah, the main project's like, I like the. Have you ever like played Zelda? I like that open world feeling, like of just like you could find anything around any corner, and that's kind of what I'm doing with that other project. It's like just, oh, here's this random thing in this corner. Here's this random thing. Okay, cool. That's done. What else do I have on the list for today? I know I'm just kind of slowly going. I gotta eat dinner. Okay, that's done. And then once that gets pushed, then we'll probably call something to launch the rocket. We should probably test that, but because we should probably put like a, what should we put back here? What could we get from here? Because this is just a widget reference and not a added widget reference. And I don't want to have to get the reference. It's okay. I'm not worried about it. I'll think about it when my brain's fresh. Anyways, I think I'm gonna take a break. And by that I mean I think I'm gonna end the stream. Not really a break. Alright, cool. I think I'm gonna, so I should be back on Monday to stream. I have it scheduled on Twitch. I should be around that time, okay? But anyways, thank you guys for all the follows and the new subs on YouTube and all that. If you guys want to learn more about them, or not learn more, but see more about the game and stuff like that when I'm not streaming, you can join the Discord. Feel free to post your own stuff there, all that. Place to hang out. You can also follow me on those places. And yeah, if you haven't already, hit that follow button or subscribe on YouTube, and I appreciate any of it. Thank you guys. Hope you all had a good time, and I shall see you Monday. Wait, let's see if we can raid someone on Twitch. Anybody on that I want to raid? You know what? Let's go raid Staff. Staff's great. So yeah, let's go do that. And yeah, see you around. Let's go send you guys over here. Staff's amazing. 10 seconds. Looks like he is like doing some drawing and stuff for his game and stuff at the moment, or maybe for something else. I don't know. Either way, enjoy.